Hey everybody! Hope you're having an awesome day today. The reason why you're here is because you've already watched this video from Mathantics. You've already looked at Mr. J. You've already maybe done the I Ready lesson I assigned to you on graphing ordered pairs. But you want to make sure your answers are correct. So if you're just here to copy, it's probably not the best intentions. Think about your intentions of why you're here. If you are just here to copy, just know that you're not going to be ready for 6th grade, and you should try to challenge yourself to learn this, okay? So, I'm here to help you though. We're going to go ahead and get started. You're going to put your name and the date. We're going to start with the second slide. So, the first definition says, the vertical number line on the coordinate plane. Well, the vertical number that goes up and down is called the y-axis. So I'm going to type that in, y-axis. Cool. Next, a pair of numbers used to locate any point on the coordinate plane. That's ordered pair. Next, the point where the x and the y intersect. That is the origin. Where does it originate from and start? Next, the first number in an ordered pair, which tells to move it left or right on the origin. That's the x-coordinate. And the horizontal number line on the coordinate plane. That is the x-axis. And finally, the second number in an ordered pair, which tells how far to move up or down from the origin. That's the y-coordinate. Okay, now we got our vocabulary words. Let's try to use them. Okay, we're going to drag these words to the correct place to label it. So the number shown in blue is our y-axis. The number in orange is an example of an ordered pair. The location of the purple point, that's right here, that's the origin where the whole graph starts. The light blue number is a y-coordinate. The number in green, of course, is the x-coordinate. And the line shown in red is the x-axis. You can pause the video at any time if I'm going too fast. Alright, going on to the next slide. So they want us to talk about where the different points are located. So it is 7 units to the right of the y-axis. So if I look here and I go over 7 units, there's no other coordinate but the F, and that's going to be my answer. This point's located 3 units above the y. So let's see, above the x. So which numbers are on the 3? That's the B. This one is 3 above the x here. B. The point has a y-coordinate of 6. So let's see, which one is on the 6? That's a D. This point has an x-coordinate of 1. So let's look. Anyone on the 1 line? Yep, that's you, A. This point is located 4 units to the right of point A. So I have A, and I count 1 hop, 2 hop, 3 hop, 4. That's letter E. This point's located on the x-axis. Well, the only one on the x is the C. And finally, this point is located 9 units from the y. So it's going to be 9 over from the y and 4 up. That's the J. Great, pause if you still need it. Okay, we're going to plot these. I love plotting. I'm so excited. So I'm going to take these little shapes and I'm going to drag them where they go. So I need to go on the x-axis 3 and the y tells me to go up 9. So x means over and the y means up. So grabbing my circle, going 3 over and 9 up. Bam! Okay, star. It needs to go 6 over and 0 up. It's going to go right on the x-axis. So 6 over, 0 up. Triangle, you're going to go 5 over and 4 up. Square, you're going to go 10 over. I love this, it's so fast. And 2 up. Boop. Diamond, you're going to go 7 over and 7 up. I like 7 up, they're delicious. 7 up, there we go. Okay, heart, 1 over and 8 up. 1 and 8. And the moon goes 0 over and 5 up. Pause if you need to look. Alright, so they want us to look at what ordered pair each of these shapes have. So let's look. I had to use my word ordered pair. The circle, I need to know the x coordinate, that's the over, and the y coordinate, that's the up and down one. So, circle, went over 9, so that's my x. Yep. And then how many did it go up? It went up 1. Star, go over 2, and it went up 6. Triangle, it went over 4, and then it went up 10. And if I'm going too fast, feel free to pause. Okay, how many did the square go over? It went over 0, and it went up 8. That's my y coordinate. Diamond, where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay, it's going to go over 3, and it's going to go up 3. And the heart goes over 8. I'll wait for you to say the next answer out loud to yourself. How many did go up? If you said 7, you're correct. Okay, and the moon, it's at that circle thing. Wait. Oh, what's that one? It went over 6, and it went up 4. There we go. Next, we're going to do the drag again. I love this one. Okay, so we're going to drag it over 9, and we're going to go up 10. Make sure you're on the right line or you get it wrong. Star needs to go over 7 and up 1. Triangle, you're going to go over 5 and up 0. Square, go over 3, go up 9. Here I'm going. Boop. Triangle, you're going to go over 5. Wait, I'm looking at the wrong one. Hold on. Oh, that's a diamond. That's why I'm confused. Here we go. Don't make my mistake. Go over 1 and go up 6. Yep, there's 2 triangles together, but that's a diamond. Okay, heart. You are going to, oh no, I don't care about the dictionary. Okay, heart, you are going to go over 8 and go up 2. Moon, you're going to go over 10 and then go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll do one more example for you and then you guys are on your own. Okay, here we go. What is the coordinates of the circle? It went over 0 on the x, but it went up 2. The star, it went over 1, and then it went over 1 and it went up 9. The triangle, it went over 8 and it went up 8. The square, it went over 4 and it went up 1. The diamond, it's right on the x-axis, so I know my y is going to be a 0. I'm going to go over and it's at 9, and then the x-axis will be 0. The heart, it went over 3 and it went up 5. And the last one, it went over 8 and it went up 6. Good for you for getting all this done. I'm super proud of you. getting all this done is going to mean you're ready for the 6th grade, because you guys are going to have to know how to do the negative versions of these next year. Ha ha ha. Hope you're having an awesome day. Talk to you soon.